Hello class. Now in this lecture we will see of wheel alignment. Okay, so basically there are some angles are made or arranged in such a way in between the different links which is present on the front axle. Okay, which is present on the front axle. They're having some meaning or there is some provision to have that inclination in between the linkages. Okay, so that link inclination plays very important role. So basically why those alignment or why those inclination or angle are required in between front axle linkage is we supposed to see in this lecture. Okay, so the first need to have that alignment is directional stability during the straight ahead position. So whenever we are traveling a straight ahead position or we are want to travel in a straight position, and it's not like that कि both the wheel of front axle will have a same road surface. Okay, one of them may have a muddy surface or another have some rocky surface. Okay, even though they may have a irregularity. So while negotiating or while traveling through such surfaces, the front both wheel should follow a order of driver through steering mechanism. They should follow a directional stability in which direction driver need to want to be a steer that vehicle should follow that direction. So and should not be sensitive. Okay, it should be stable along with that direction provided by the driver. So that is possible only when we having a certain inclination, okay, or certain alignment of the wheel linkages with each other. Okay, so this is the first need. After that, perfect rolling condition of all steering position. The rolling means what? The both the wheel of the front axle should be having a positive rolling. मतलब that should be a roll. They should not be skid at all steering position. Steering position means हमने extreme left to extreme right अगर हमने steering wheel rotate किया, okay, extreme left to extreme right हमने स्टेयरिंग व्हील रोटेट किया, सो दैट एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट टू एक्सट्रीम राइट के बीच में जो भी पोजीशन रहेगा हमारे रोड व्हील्स का, at every position they should not be sidely skid, they should be a roll. Okay, if they having side skidding, definitely that side diagonal patch rubbing actions take place on the road wheels. Okay, or road wheel bed at it will, and it will responsible to quick wear of the tires. Okay, so positive rolling should be there at any at any steering position, extreme left to extreme right. Now straight ahead recovery after completing, once you have completed turn, that wheel alignment helps you to bring your road wheels again to straight ahead position quickly. Okay, once driver leaves the steering wheels, okay, once driver leaves the steering wheel after completing the any turn, the steering wheel automatically takes a straight ahead position. Okay, or it called as a straight ahead recovery. So that should be a done that should be a possible only because of the wheel alignment. After to minimize the tire, definitely everything which is doing the every task done by the alignment is 90% to reduce the wear of the tire. अगर wheel alignment proper है then directional stability भी रहेंगे और हमारा जो टायर का वेयर है वो भी कम होगा. Okay, so that's why wheel alignment is very important. Now फैक्टर ऑफ व्हील अलाइनमेंट, कौन कौन से थिंग है जो व्हील अलाइनमेंट, ओके, हमें जो डिसाइड मतलब कौन कौन से फैक्टर है जो हमें व्हील अलाइनमेंट करते टाइम ध्यान में रखना है. सो टू इन एंड टू आउट इज द वन ऑफ द थिंग which we have to consider while wheel alignment. After no setback means एक ही एक्सेल के टू इन एंड टू आउट is the one of the wheel alignment. Okay, wheel angle that we supposed to set, okay, while doing a wheel alignment. After no setback means what? There should not be in means एक ही एक्सेल पे जो एडजेसेंट रोड व्हील्स है वो एक दूसरे के पीछे नहीं जाए, उनके फ्रंट एंड है, उनके जो फ्रंट एंड टायर के, it should be a inline, it should be linear. If we have a look from the side of vehicle, if we have a side view of vehicle, then both the front end of or front edges of the wheel should be in one line. ऑफ सेम एक्सेल, अगर एक ही एक्सेल के दो टायर है और हम उसको साइड व्यू से देख रहे हैं, दैट टाइम उनके जो फ्रंट एजेस है वो एक ही लाइन में दिखने चाहिए. इफ one of the edge get behind the edge of the adjacent road wheel, then it's called as setback. So no setback should be there. Okay. After that, thrust angle should be zero. जो भी thrust angle होता है, we'll see what is the thrust angle for the. Okay. So जो thrust angle होता है, that should be a zero. After that, your wheel should be properly balanced. Balance होना चाहिए vehicle. जो balancing is the one of the most thing जो हम each wheel को रिम के साथ अटैच करके, रिम पे अटैच करके हम बैलेंस करते हैं. ओके, बैलेंसिंग मशीन पे, व्हील बैलेंसिंग मशीन पे. सो व्हील शुड बी बैलेंस प्रॉपरली. टायर का इन्फ्लेशन प्रॉपर होना चाहिए, अंडर इन्फ्लेटेड नहीं होना चाहिए, ओवर इन्फ्लेटेड नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट शुड बी प्रॉपरली करेक्टली इन्फ्लेटेड, इन्फ्लेशन होना चाहिए. टायर का प्रेशर जो है अंदर मेंटेन रहना चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट, ब्रेक एडजस्टमेंट. दैट ब्रेक एडजस्टमेंट शुड बी प्रॉपर. व्हील अलाइनमेंट में अगर व्हील अलाइनमेंट प्रॉपरली है एंड वन ऑफ द ब्रेक, one of the side of brake wheel, for example left side का road wheels है और उसका brake adjustment proper नहीं है, right side के road wheels है. So whenever you are applying the brake, that time the wheel the brake should be applied at the front left side, and after that it will apply to the right side. So because of that the vehicles try to be move in left direction first. Okay, so there is, so directional stability जो होगा व्हीकल का वो क्या होगा, वह लूज हो जाएगा, वो मिसप्लेस हो, वो अचीव नहीं होगा. सो आइदर यू हैव अ प्रॉपर व्हील अलाइनमेंट बट ब्रेक एडजस्टमेंट प्रॉपर नहीं है. सो यू शुड हैव अ प्रॉपर ब्रेक एडजस्टमेंट while doing a wheel alignment, or the wheel brake adjustment will affect on the your wheel alignment. Okay, and entire wheel alignment, जो भी alignments है, जो भी एंगल्स है, लिंकेजेस में हम यूज स्टीयरिंग के फ्रंट एक्सेल के लिंकेजेस में जो भी हम एंगल सेट करते हैं, उस सब एंगल्स को कंबाइनली हम बोलते हैं स्टीयरिंग ज्योमेट्री. क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको? स्टीयरिंग ज्योमेट्री. एंड द स्टीयरिंग ज्योमेट्री इंक्लूड्स द एंगल्स लाइक कैम्बर, kingpin inclination, combined angle और scrub radius, caster, toe in and toe out. So ये 5 चीजें हैं जो स्टीयरिंग ज्योमेट्री को इंडिकेट करते हैं, जो जिसको हम व्हील अलाइनमेंट्स बोलते हैं. ओके, so combinedly is called as steering geometry. So in the further lecture we will see one by one what are the meaning of the camber, what is the meaning of kingpin inclination, what is the meaning of combined angle and scrub radius, what is the meaning of caster, toe in and toe, and their significance, why they need it. I hope you have understood, you have understand the introduction of the this wheel alignment, why it is important. Okay, so if you feel any difficulty, do ask me in our comment section. Thank you.